In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps of activating your Simplii Financial debit card. So stick around for the quick steps to get your card ready for action. Without further ado, let's get started. So if you're an existing client, you've got a couple of convenient options to choose from. Firstly, why not break in that new card with a purchase? Just head out, grab something you've been eyeing, and use your new card along with your trusty existing PIN. This is a straightforward way to get your card activated. Now, if you prefer the digital way, just sign into your online banking or fire up the Simplii app. Then just input your new card number and your familiar existing password. So this method is perfect if you're not in the mood for a shopping spree but still want your card activated promptly. And of course, for those tech-savvy users, make sure to tidy up your mobile wallet by removing the old card and adding the fresh one for seamless mobile payments. Now, if you're a new client entering the Simplii, then here's a step-by-step guide for you. Start off by making a purchase using your new card and PIN. It's a hands-on way to initiate the activation process. Next, step into the world of online banking by registering for an account. This unlocks a range of features to manage your finances effortlessly. Now, to top it off, supercharge your banking experience by downloading the Simplii app. This is not just an app, this is like your gateway to hassle-free account management on the go. And that's it. With these detailed steps, whether you're an existing or new client, you will have your Simplii Financial debit card activated and ready for action. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.